I'm Dan from Local Harvest Market, and we are a market garden here in Chilliwack, farming about 20 acres of land, mixed vegetables, some fruits, some nuts. We're growing for people who want to make a difference in their community, people who value quality food, nutritious food. Biggest challenge is finding a market for our product. As strange as that sounds, there's 100,000 people living in Chilliwack. There's people west of here, but persistence and determination wins at the end of the day. Probably one of the hardest things on the farm end of things is keeping weeds under control. So we use no sprays, no pesticides, no herbicides, not even organic sprays on the farm. We do this regeneratively. So weeds have been obviously a huge challenge on that scale. I think what we're looking for when we evaluate seed suppliers is seeds that are high performing seeds. So organically sourced is huge for us, obviously, as a farm that's trying to follow all the organic standards. That's really important. We look to West Coast Seeds because West Coast Seeds, well, it's local. I visited your little store that you had. Yeah, just struck up some great relationships. Seeds have performed really good on the farm. Yeah, so good germination, and if there's ever been a problem with any of that, you guys are just a phone call away and you'll make it right. But a lot of the issues with starting seeds or having good germination isn't just a seed, obviously. It's also how, some of the issues lie with us, right? Are we giving them timely watering and not over-watering? Are we using good soil to grow them? Good lighting, seeding them at the right time. So there's all these other factors that go into determining whether the seed is high quality. So right from day one, we were using West Coast Seeds here on the farm. So 2013 was the first time we were introduced to the West Coast Seeds, and never look back. So I also teach a gardening course. In this course, I teach people how to grow excellent food using some pretty simple methods. I'm trying to distill all the information that I've learned over the last 15 years here at the Market Garden, and I'm trying to make that available to home gardeners in their context. And what I'm using as my canvas to work from is my home garden. And